Alright, quick update. I'm about to harvest my sweet potatoes because I'm starting to get weeds growing out of there. So I need to try to see what I got so far. Here's an update on the peppers right here. What's today? Today is February 27th. We got mint right here. Still got the fish peppers going strong. I think it's been almost a year, 11 months since no, it's been a year since I got a seedling. So that's a whole year. That's a good deal. I think I need to repot this because it's looking kind of this color, so I think that the roots are, I don't know if it's root bound or what, but I don't think it's liking this pot, so I'm going to do a little research before I repot it and see what I need to do, because see, I cut this one back to see if that will, see how it will respond to it, but I think it's, might be the soil or something, I don't know. He don't seem that happy in there. So anyway, I'm gonna fast forward to the harvest. Okay, I'm gonna dump it in this. I'm gonna do it the lazy way. I'm gonna dump this into there and then just take the sweet potatoes that's inside of there. So I'm trying to do this with one hand.
Y'all heard the news, right? The southern border in Texas is still letting migrants in, and guess what?
Hate these stupid ads. Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. You know what? Let me get gloves. Here we go. Let's see what we got. So far, nothing. Nothing so far. There's gonna be something here. I know it. Let's see. Today glass. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, so this is what I put in there. I probably didn't get nothing. Damn. I didn't get a damn thing. Let's see. Let's keep looking. This is what I put in there. It was a full, like somebody ate the hell out of it. They done ate my shit. That's what they did. I done fed the damn roly-polies. So I guess I didn't get a chance to reproduce. Oh well. Win some, you lose some. Let's see. It definitely grew, the plant though. But didn't get any sweet potatoes. Okay. Yeah. No. Well, didn't get anything, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Probably gonna try it again. I don't know. I gotta see when you plant sweet potatoes, but yeah, it was a really huge sweet potato that I put in there, and I guess the roly-polies had their way with it, and it didn't produce. So, oh well. All right. Until next time.